So guys, now we will make a test to verify something, if this circuit works or not. So we will begin to test like this. We put the negative side in the negative of the charging port. You can see here, that is with blue in this case. Okay, put it here, and we turn off power supply for a moment. We just connect the red one, that is positive, and we will see if it charges those batteries or not. As I've told you, this is the resistor that limit the current. You can see here, this here. So guys, let's turn on the power supply at 6 volts to see if it will charge or not. As you can see, it's charged, and the positive goes into this resistor and into this LED and end up in this neutral here. So it works. It works fine. You can see the neutral here. Well guys, this switch turn on the power. You can see here. I think the charger is damaged, so I will open it later to see if it's broken or not. Well, I'm letting here just a little to charge those batteries and to see the reaction, if it will work or not. Because I want to explain something for those beginners. To charge this huge battery needs a lot of current, but you can reduce it, the input current, by using this resistor as a current limiter. You can see here I'm touching and it's hot. That can burn your finger because it's limiting the current that goes into this battery and is charging, because as time a resistor filter